Building homes is hard work. There's a lot of moving parts to manage. It's my job to make sure the homes are being built to their quality standards. I'm always under pressure to make sure the home's completed on time and ready for closing. With HomeBase, I can track the status of my installations and service orders in real time. No more chasing down updates or playing phone tag. HomeBase makes communication a breeze. And with greater productivity comes greater peace of mind. I gain visibility to product installations and services to improve my productivity. Track the status of product installations and service orders on your mobile device or tablet 24/7. It's all about improving communication, getting real-time updates, and increasing productivity. With HomeBase, you'll always be in control.